Scorpio, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Thank you so much, Scorpio. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa inyong love relationship or romantic situation. Scorpio. Merong self-indulgence, focus on self, self-worth, time to heal, shadow work, self-appreciation. Okay, focus sa sarili, sa self-worth mo. Not enough, frustrated in relationship, lack of confidence, self-sabotage, fear or ego issues, jealousy, merong pagsiselos, frustrated or disappointed ka sa inyong relasyon or sa person that you are interested with or the person that you are dealing with. Okay? Yeah, parang nawalan ka ng confidence in the relationship. For some of you, just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. The Sword and Rose, clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, and power. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, merong revelation, may lumabas na katotohanan in the situation. Merong clarity. Okay? Both. Receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, closure issues. Yeah, for some, you have closure issues. Okay, iniisip nyo na mag-move on sa inyong sitwasyon if there is a problem sa inyong relasyon or sa inyong person. Okay? That is for some. Tingnan natin from the tarot, ano yung energies and messages for Scorpio on love and romance. Okay? Anong nangyayari sa inyong romantic situation? Scorpio. Scorpio. Okay. Okay. Okay, so Scorpio, yeah, yung person mo, naguguluhan din sa situation. Okay. Yeah, because of this, tingnan natin, 5 of Swords, Scorpio. Bakit 5 of Swords? Yeah, 4 of Pentacles. Okay. So, nag-iisip yung person ninyo kung magpaparamdam, makipag-communicate or hindi because he or she is holding back. Okay? The effort of communicating or contacting or connecting with you. Okay? Yeah, parang pinag-iisipan, okay, niya. Yeah. Parang merong disagreements na nangyayari, okay? And that, parang pinag-iisipan niya kung makipag-communicate kasi merong holding back sa part niya to communicate with you, Scorpio. Okay. Lumipad, 9 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups. Yeah, so merong moving on in the situation. Okay? Yeah. Merong detachment, okay, from a codependency, okay? Yeah. So, merong moving on na nangyayari. It's like someone doesn't want to confront the situation. Someone is choosing not to confront the situation. So, merong moving on. Okay? Detaching from codependency relationship. Okay? This is something unexpected or merong nangyari na very sudden. Okay? Breaking. Yeah. The tower has fallen. Okay? So, merong changes, significant na change na nangyayari in the situation or in your relationship is King of Cups. Yeah, for some there is a liberation. Okay? From something hindi healthy or toxic relationship. Yeah. For some, your person wants to express their feelings. Okay? Kung merong unhealthy patterns in the relationship, he or she parang gusto niya express or sabihin sa inyo to. Okay? It is for some of you. Scorpio. Yeah, for some, merong liberation. They want to free from a toxic relationship or they want to free themselves from a toxic or unhealthy relationship. Okay? Yeah. King of Cups. Tingnan natin ang the Empress. Yeah, 10 of Pentacles. Parang you are seeing this person, Scorpio, as the one. Okay, you are attracted, or yeah, you are attracted to this person. You want to have a family with this person or a union. Okay? Yeah, you feel that your person also parang meron siyang connection to another family, or yeah, merong attraction towards another family. Okay? Yeah, because that's why merong 7 of Swords. Yeah, merong dishonesty, betrayal, or deception. Okay? 7 of Swords. Yeah, 10 of Cups. Family. Okay? Yeah. Okay. You receive some truth about your person. Okay. Maybe your person has another family, and he or she is at the same time dealing with you. Okay. So merong betrayal. That's a challenge. That's the problem in the situation or in your relationship. Okay, parang hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. Okay, you do not trust your person anymore. Yeah, sneaking around. Okay. Yeah, that's why merong Tower. Okay. Breaking a relationship because of this one, because of some trickery, dishonesty, okay, and deception. Betrayal. You feel that your person, merong nangyayari behind the scene. Okay. Merong truth na lumabas that he or she is connected with another family, okay, or involved, something like that. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe your person has already a family, okay? So merong third party in the relationship. Oops. Tingnan natin kung ano tong Knight of Swords. Yeah, 3 of Cups again. Okay. So maybe your person is going out with friends, okay? Yeah. Okay. Kailangan ng aksyon sa inyong relationship if you want to keep. If you want to salvage or you want to keep the relationship, okay? Kailangan ng aksyon. Kailangan ng pag-uusap, kailangan ng pagkikita, okay? That is for some of you. Someone has to take the lead and has to take the action para makipag-ayos, okay? The Hierophant, tingnan natin ang the Hierophant. Yeah, 5 of Cups. Yeah, mayroong regrets at the same time or disappointment about sa okay, about sa relationship. So, kailangan, yeah, kailangan i-uphold yung integrity ng relationship. Okay? Now, there is a problem when it comes to integrity sa partnership or sa relationship na to. Because something happened, merong dishonesty and betrayal. Yeah. Merong panghihinayang, no, in the situation. But then, it is important in the energy of this reading to uphold the integrity, okay? Yeah. Parang kailangan, kung gusto pang magkabalikan, kailangan someone has to take the lead or to take the action. But merong damage when it comes to commitment and trustworthiness ng relationship. Yeah. 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 Pakikipag-ayos, okay? Merong pag-aayos or na mangyayari for some of you if someone will take the lead and if someone will take the action, okay? But the trust is already damaged, Scorpio, okay? So just take what resonates for you. Ito yung mga energies ng inyong person, and then you, some truth had been revealed. Okay? So, tingnan natin hidden truths from your person. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, your person, merong aayusin ang kanyang pagkakamali. Okay? Yeah. Merong confession of truth. Okay? I wonder if you are happy without me. Yeah, you learn some truth, Scorpio, about this person, okay? Involving a family. May kinalaman sa isang pamilya. Maybe your person is involved with another family, okay? And it's a form of betrayal and dishonesty for you, and the trust and the commitment nasira, okay? Just being near you is intoxicating. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. Okay? Ano natin? Oops. 7 sexual union. Honor the place in one another where you are one eternal soul, for there you will find true peace. Merong playfulness. Laughter is the best therapy. Have some fun together and remember, love is the greatest healer. And last, surrender. At times, we must surrender the old before something new can enter our lives. Let go and all will work out. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Scorpio. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!